Hey guys, welcome to tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to download and install the Yahoo Mail on your Android device, and let's start right in now. To install or download your Yahoo Mail on your phone, first open up the Play Store on your phone like this, and you can see the search bar on the top of the screen. Tap over there and search for Yahoo Mail like this. And after searching for Yahoo Mail on your phone, you can on the Google Play Store, you can see there is the install button available at the side of the screen. Tap over there and tap on install, and you can see the download process of Yahoo Mail has been initiated, and the app will be downloaded and installed on your device momentarily after it has been downloaded. And there guys, this is how you download and install the Yahoo Mail app on your Android phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.